Hey everyone, Seth Wilkinson, SealRyt Corporation, manufacturers of the PackRyt bearing and high performance mechanical packing, here for the Pump Seal channel to talk to you about our ExtractPRO. What's the ExtractPRO? Well, little history on this one. So when dealing with some of our PackRyt bearings, not necessarily installing them, but removing them, there's been a common lament that they are rather difficult to remove. And we agree, and I agree. Having had to remove my fair share, they're not easy. So the brainiacs of this organization decided to try to solve this problem as best they could without interrupting the integrity and the performance of the bearing. And what they did is they came up with what's called the ExtractPRO. Looks great. So yes, you will not be installing it with the screw. So what the ExtractPRO is a hole that was drilled through the bearing with a nut insert at the other end. Now these will be positioned throughout the circumference of the bearing. With every ExtractPRO, you are given a series of bolts, 4, 6, however many ports that you may have in your bearing, that are cut to a very specific length based on your application. So what that has to do with is the width of your bearing, your total stuffing box depth, plus any outside obstruction, so that this bolt will then run through the stuffing box after you've removed all of your packing, will go into the port, and then all you will need to do here is turn this bolt. And what will end up happening as you turn this bolt is now this will contact the bottom of the stuffing box, and as you synchronously turn these bolts, it will slowly start to move that PackRyt out. Pretty cool. While not the most expedient way, it's a lot better than going at it with a hammer and chisel. Now, availability of the ExtractPRO, it is a special order unless you're dealing with Andritz Fiberline equipment. It is standard on all Andritz Fiberline equipment coming out of our factory, whether it's purchased by Andritz or purchased by the end user. All of them will have the ExtractPRO. So if you do receive something for your high pressure feeder, low pressure feeder, top separator, outlet device, and you see this fancy little box with bolts in it, don't throw them away. Okay, they're not random. They are cut to size specifically for your PackRyt bearing. If you do want the ExtractPRO, the minimum cross section is 7/16, and we will need to know the distance to the nearest obstruction in order to manufacture this. But it is a good solution, great solution. I have used it. It's very effective. Again, it is much better than using the hammer and chisel or a blowtorch or whatever, dynamite to get these things out. If you do have any questions on the ExtractPRO, please contact us here at SealRyt. Thank you.